to CR Nuts Motorsports. My name is Ken. Glad you're here. Today's episode, we have something special. A member of our stable that you have not seen before. It's a 1996 Suzuki GSX-R 750 European model. Not common in the US. It's a beast. Casey bought this when he was stationed in Germany and before he went off to war. Came back, brought it with him. Beautiful bike, and it's mechanically perfect. Right now it's in need of a paint job. We're kind of debating if we're going to go back to stock or if we're going to take it on the wild side. But it's a hell of a bike. It runs perfectly. Casey's ridden it hard, and he's going to introduce you to it and give you a little bit of its history and some things that have been done to it. So, as always, enjoy. If you like us, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and let us know what you think about the color. I'm not too wild about the original color. Casey's really pushing hard to go back that way. I think it could be better. What do you think? So let us know your comments, and as always, relax, sit back, and enjoy. You all take care.
Hey, it's Casey. So the 1996 model was actually the fourth generation. It was the first one to come out. It had a nice balance between the 600s. It had the same weight of the 600s, but yet it had almost the horsepower capability as the 900s. It just completely dominated the class. So weighing only 453 pounds with the full tank ready to ride, this thing had, pushing out about 116 horsepower in its stock form around here. So the white paint job we have on here, this is actually all the Cheetah fiberglass racing plastics. We can see the dials and gauges on here were converted over from Europe. Everything still reads in kilometers, but the speedometer reads miles per hour. We got the Galfer brakes on here, front and rear, the NRC magnesium slide cover on the magneto side. We got some nice foot pegs on here, kind of raise up the height of the lower angle. PVM CNC machine custom wheels done for it. We got the Yoshimura exhaust TRS one. Everything else about it is 100% stock. Haven't done too much to it, just trying to keep it honest and true. And that's about it. Here we're going to fire it up, and it's pretty much coming from a cold start. It sits for a while. Every once in a while we'll take it out. Stick along.